Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you the cool new features that we have for our app. So basically, you can see everybody who has made a sale, who comes up live, in this stream right here, right? And then you could go to the news feed, and this is our social media platform, which shows you everybody who's all in their status. So we have all these people who are all in and who are posting, right? So we have a social media platform with this stuff, right? And then if you want to go to the home screen, it takes us to the personal development portion where you do gratitude practice, and you do your meditation and your exercising right here. So here's meditate, here's exercise, and it takes you into a daily routine, and all this is on the app. So basically you can use this stuff to actually show social proof and show how our app works. So this is actually our goal setting app, and this app is only $10 per month to use, and you get an $8 per month commission with just this portion right here. So you're able to make 80% commissions off of this app, and it helps you to be more productive in life and business. So you have this portion right here, which you could make a residual income from, right? And then you have your profile, and then your social media is right here. So you can actually post and see who's actually posting, and see the status of their membership, right? And pretty much what we have is we have the tools that people need to build out their capture pages, build out their sales funnels, build out membership sites, build out whatever they need for their marketing, right? So that's what we have with our funnel builder tool, and it's very, very easy to use, right? And when people have something that they want to post, they could post it right here in our social media platform. That's what makes this app really, really cool, is you stay connected with the people that sign up with you, right? And so you have the funnel builder tool, and then we teach you how to do marketing. We teach you how to write emails that serve and sell. We teach you how to connect with people on social media, on platforms like Facebook, and how to actually create your YouTube videos. We show you live, hands-on, every single day, Monday through Friday, how to actually do your marketing. And we have some very, very good coaches in here. And, if you want to know how to do certain things, we have this right here, which is 6 and 7 figure earners that actually post in here every single day. So you could actually watch this. It's like having a Netflix subscription for your marketing, right? So you have top earners in here that are posting content on how to do certain things, right? So this is very, very powerful, and all this is together, so you stay plugged in, and it helps you to be able to make more money in your business and to be able to get results, right? So this portion of this is really, really cool, because it's going to help people to be able to make more money online and to be able to build whatever business that they want, because this is for any kind of business that they have, right? So if you're in network marketing or affiliate marketing or anything like that, this is definitely for you.